Flying Drunk FPV, St. Louis.
I think it was something along the lines of, it's a talk show. It's like, I don't know.
From Japan.
It's lost a
It hit really nicely at first, but it ends in a not great flavor. That's almost, I don't know what it is. But I will say, when I breathed in and out with my mouth, it made the burn go away, and when I take the Coke, it's gone. It's gone. Like,
I don't have a burn.
I have nothing left in my taste now that I took the Coke.
I have no burn.
This ain't no technology you can break down. It's just a human move.
But you can have it.
This would be my alcohol. Let's see.